Ghouraba. Hello everyone. Today we start with Arabic dessert, one of the most delicious melting in your mouth called Ghouraba or Arabic cookies. These special Arabic cookies you can add jam on top or pistachio, you can shape different shape as you see, or you can use fresh green pistachio. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I promise you, any dessert you take it, right recipe works with you from first time. You will find everything you want to know about chocolate, sugar, cookies, ice cream, name it. All you need, you just share my video and write comment. Arabic dessert made by ghee butter. So how to make ghee butter? 1 kilo normal butter, cow butter, with when it's boiling 1 pinch of salt as you see, and then I stir slowly as you see it turn from creamy yellow to transparent yellow. It takes almost 10 to 12 minutes in medium heat. Be careful, never boil the ghee butter, never boil the butter, just a normal butter. It takes 10 to 12 minutes and you will have clear transparent. The fat or milk will burn in the bottom as you see, and I take only the yellow clear ghee or clarified butter. This is very important. We need only the protein, not the fat. And here it is. I keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. It will be very cold, strong like this. This is ghee butter without any fat. 300 gram ghee butter, 600 gram flour, all-purpose flour, 20 gram semolina, and 300 gram icing sugar. First step, I added 300 gram ghee butter, 300 gram icing sugar. This is the most important step. The ghee must be very cold, and then we stir, mixing slowly until emulsify the sugar and ghee butter together. And then I increase the speed. You can see it's dark creamy, and after 10 minutes of high speed it will become white shiny like creme chantilly. This is exactly the time I have to add the flour. So I added 20 gram semolina to 600 gram all-purpose flour. Then I pour on top of the creamy mixture. You can add a pinch of vanilla or vanilla extract. It will be much better. But ghee butter itself have a nice aroma. Don't panic if you can see it becomes darker. Keep to mix again 5 minutes. It will be very shiny and very smooth dough. Then we take it out. We just need it 2-3 times in the table to make sure that is not sticky in the table and all material combined. To decorate on top any kind of nuts, you must soak 10 or 15 minutes in any syrup. Why? Because when you soak the nuts in syrup, first, it will never burn in the oven. Second, it will crystallize and stick on top of the cookies, never move. Then we make roll, straight roll, all same size. Then we cut, as you see, all same size. Is very important. Then you roll it and just little push on top to be flat. That's it. And then we bring any kind of nuts you want to, pistachio, almond, hazelnut. You take from the soaking syrup and then you put on top as you see in the beginning of video, or you can make little hole with your finger and add it raspberry jam, apricot jam, whatever you want. It's so easy to make and really tasty cookies. I prepare the oven in meantime 100 Celsius is very important, maximum 110. I put the tray and I close. I bake it for almost 1 hour 1 hour 10 minutes. So 1 hour, you just remove it. You have to keep it at least 4 or 5 hours before you touch it. It takes 110 Celsius for 1 hour 10 minutes. Then you can see it's still white, it's still shiny, but it's cooked. And you can keep at least 4 hours in room temperature before you hold it, because it's very sensitive. It melts in your mouth. As my father always told me, don't work harder, just work smarter. I hope you enjoy watching my channel. Please write, comment any Arabic dessert you want to learn. And I promise it will succeed from first time. Ahmed Younes.